Hello, welcome to Yemizkitchen. I'm so excited today. And if you've not been here, this is Yemizkitchen. My name is Yemi, and I'm the cook on this channel. Today, I'm so excited because I'm making hot sauce. Hot sauce is a condiment that is used in United States, and it's very good. Or every other culture will have their own form of hot sauce. We use a lot of hot sauce in my house because my children love chicken, and they eat their chicken with hot sauce. The ingredients needed for hot sauce are habanero pepper, dehydrated chili sauce, rice wine vinegar. I'm using 4 cloves of garlic, onion, water, carrot, and a lemon. Salt. So I'm going to take it to my stove. I'm going to cook this for 30 minutes until it's soft. So after boiling for 30 minutes, when it's soft, I blended it in my blender, which is what we're doing right now. So I let it cool for like 30 minutes and I'm decanting it into my pitcher to cool down more. Please don't try this at home. If it's not cool, don't pour it, because this is hot pepper, and if it's with the heat, just be careful. For safety reasons, let it cool down first. So I'm pouring some in my squeeze bottle, which is easy to use, and the rest in a small mason jar for presentation. I have finally completed making my hot sauce. I hope you like it, and I hope you try this at home. And if you do, please tag me on my social handles, on my social media. I really enjoy interacting with you. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell so that you may be informed or notified when I have a new video out. Thank you for watching my videos. Till next time, my name is Yemi. Don't forget, in Yemi's Kitchen, happiness is a choice. You should be happy. I love you so much. God bless you. Mwah.